Have you ever wondered how you can easily shift your gaze from a breathtaking mountain vista to a close-up book without feeling like your eyes are doing acrobatic flips? It's all thanks to a team of 6 extraordinary muscles hidden behind your eyeballs. Those unsung heroes, called the extraocular muscles, work tirelessly to coordinate your eye movements, ensuring clear and stable vision at every glance. So let's meet the Magnificent 6. Imagine your eyes as high-resolution cameras. But unlike a fixed camera, your eyes need to move precisely to capture the world around you. This is where extraocular muscles come in. There are 6 of them, each with a unique name and responsibility. The medial rectus. The medial rectus muscle pulls your eye inwards, allowing you to look towards your nose, like reading a book. The lateral rectus. The lateral rectus is the counterpart to the medial rectus. This muscle pulls your eye outwards, enabling you to gaze to the side. The superior rectus. This muscle directs your gaze upwards, allowing you to look at the sky or a high shelf. The inferior rectus. As the name suggests, this muscle moves your eye downwards, letting you see objects on the floor or your phone while walking. The superior oblique. This muscle works diagonally, helping you tilt your head and still maintain clear vision. And finally, the inferior oblique. Working in tandem with the superior oblique, this muscle also controls diagonal eye movements. By working together in a delicate balance, these muscles allow for a wide range of eye movements, from tiny adjustments to sweeping scans. Our 2 eyes don't operate independently. They function as a team to create a single, 3-dimensional image of the world. This is called binocular vision. The extraocular muscles play a crucial role in achieving this. They meticulously coordinate eye movements, ensuring both eyes point at the same object, allowing the brain to merge the 2 slightly different images into one clear picture with depth perception, keeping it smooth, the role of the nervous system. The extraocular muscles don't operate in isolation. They receive instructions from the brain via the nervous system. This complex network of nerves acts as the conductor, sending signals to each muscle, dictating the direction, the speed, and the precision of eye movements. When things go wrong, common eye movement disorders. While extraocular muscles are remarkable, they are not immune to problems. Several conditions can affect eye movement, leading to blurry vision, double vision, and even difficulty focusing. Some common eye movement disorders include, number 1, strabismus. This is a condition where the eyes are misaligned, causing double vision. It can be caused by weak or imbalanced extraocular muscles. Number 2, nystagmus. This condition involves involuntary, jerky eye movements that can be horizontal, vertical, or circular. It can be caused by inner ear problems, neurological conditions, or certain medications. 3, convergence insufficiency. This difficulty focusing on near objects can be caused by problems with the muscles responsible for converging the eyes themselves. So the next time you marvel at a breathtaking view or effortlessly scan a page, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work of your extraocular muscles. These hidden heroes orchestrate your eye movements, allowing you to experience the world in clear and beautiful vision. By incorporating healthy habits like regular eye exams, you can support the health and function of these remarkable muscles for years to come. Your eyes are precious windows to the world, and caring for them is vital. To learn more about eye movement disorders and how to keep your extraocular muscles functioning at their best, check out the resources listed in the description below. These resources include links from articles from reputable organizations, eye care specialists, and educational content. Do you have any questions about eye exercises or maintaining eye health? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. By sharing knowledge and experiences, we can all work towards a future of clear vision. Take care and see you next time.